This is the Bloomingdale's parking deck, aka the Teal parking deck.
Oh, gosh, you don't ever let me start.
You know what?
Broken.
Yep. I don't think there's another one. Nah. Yeah.
Alright, let's try this.
There's a second one? Oh, there is. I didn't even know there's a second one. What the heck side is it on? Alright, let's see what the whole deal is with this one. Okay, this one works. We're in for a promising Schindler experience. Schindler RT, a fixture I don't see often, believe it or not. Whoa. I guess that's the top. Alright, I'll take this one. That was a really good motor, actually.
See what we got. Or leak detector.
There's the other one that's dead.
Tech.
Interesting the way the buttons are laid out. Like the way this is not a typical Schindler RT. Cab. It's that.
Kind of weird. Really close to the back door. I think P1 and L1.
I think parking level one's one step up. Crate and barrel entrance is apparently L2. Alright. Hey, well that was one of the elevators in the Teal parking deck. That's it.